Alright, we got these yard ornaments here. Just a 3 pieces of some landscape timbers wrapped with some, I guess some rope wrapped around them at the bottom. And I got these birds that sit on top. And as you can see, the birds have seen better days. This one looks pretty good. We're going to use that to make a copy. This one here is missing a whole head. Anyway, we're gonna get some new ones made, new birds, and then we're gonna put a new coat of stain on the landscape timbers. So let's make a copy and get one cut out. We got just a piece of pressure treated fencing. Just gonna take the one bird that's in the best shape, place it on this piece of wood, and just outline it. Okay, marked a line. I'm going to cut off this excess board that I don't need here. Okay, you can see got pretty close to the outline here of the old one. So what we're going to do now is just go over to the sander and clean up these edges, make it look more rounded, and then we'll give it a good sanding, and then it'll be ready for the next step. Alright, here's the sanded bird. So now we're just going to give this a sanding, just get this sharp edge off and sand the front and the back. Then after that we're going to drill a hole in the bottom, which will be for like a nail to go in to hold it onto the landscape timbers. Doesn't have to be perfect, just have to look like a bird. Okay, that'll be it. Now we'll drill a hole in the bottom. So this is the pin, or whatever you want to call it, that was in the bottom of the bird. So what I'll do is I'm just going to kind of put that back in the hole a little bit. Just kind of eye up so I know which way to kind of drill in there. And I'm just going to take a 3/16 bit, because that's about the size of that pin. And that'll go in there like that. There we go. Take this to the paint booth now and get it painted.
Hey guys! Painting! Let me get my movie going.
Now we got the bases here that the birds sit on the top here. We're going to take off this rope, just a decorative piece on there. It's held in by a couple electrical staples that hold electric wire. It's going to pop these off, take that rope off, so we can put a coat of stain on here. It'll make it easier to stain them. So here's the painted base of the ornament. Back here is where the rope gets nailed in. So I'm just going to put the rope back on now. This didn't turn out too bad from being just painted. Just going to try to put it back in the original location that it was. So I'll just put it right there on that nail. Just like that. Here's a little paint trick I did on the rope. I don't know if it'll last long, but it dresses it up a little bit. And we got all the birds here that are done now. Here's both of them with the birds back on top of those bases, and I think they turned out pretty well. So there you have it. Little fresh update there. Put it outside and be all finished. Thanks for watching.